Hello Maranziwa, I hope you're doing well today. Today we'll be taking this look it looks okay, looks fine, to this $1,000,000 look. We're just gonna revamp that pondo and make it look something. So I thought this would be cool to show you guys how I did it. I just wanna show you the tea. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you how to turn a very, very average, normal hairstyle to something that looks more classy, expensive, bougie sort of vibe. I was inspired by my sister. She actually wears a lot of these things right here. If you didn't know, this is like a pondo. It's like an afro pondo. She said it's about 40 rands, and she was just wearing it normally and she looked beautiful. When I put it on my head, however, it looked average to me, and I was like, let me see what is it that I can do to it. So that is what we are going to do today. For those who don't know, my hair journey has been interesting. Right now my hair is stretched, so it's not like this on a normal basis. So let me just show you how this is looking. So this has pin. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I hope you can see it. So it's like a net inside, and it's got a pin right here, and it's got a pin this side, and it's got like a stretchy thingy right here, and it's just a normal pondo, guys, afro one, and it sheds a lot. It is shedding. So she said to actually revive it, I need water. But for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna continue. If you wanna revive it, you just spray water and then start combing it, and then you still have that beautiful afro. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take off the ribbon. So my hair is stretched. So if you've got an afro, you need to dry your hair. I'm not gonna include that in this clip because my hair is already hair dried. So I did like a lukewarm is that possible? So I did like a low heat dryer, and then please also make sure that you put a hair protectant. And I'm just telling you guys because the next thing you're gonna have to deal with heat damage. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm just gonna go in with my, it's almost gone, it's actually gone, black castor oil. I really like this one. I want to try the super black, is it super black or dark black Jamaican castor oil? It's out, guys, like literally, like I need to make sure everything is out because this thing is expensive, and I need to make sure that my little coins that are remaining in this bottle are out here. So I did manage to get something. So I did manage to do that. What I'm going to do is to moisturize my ends because they're the driest. Like my hair is super dry lately. So after doing that, this is like probably step 3 on your routine. You need to detangle your hair, hair dry your hair. If you want to straighten, you can straighten, and don't forget to put heat protectant. So I like to use a brush, you guys, to comb my, let me go back a little bit. I found that using a brush is way easier to comb my hair than to actually use a comb. Like, I don't know, to comb my hair, to brush my hair. You get what I'm saying, okay? So I'm just gonna like comb it. So it depends where you want your pondo to be, or a bun, if you do not know what a pondo is. So I want mine to be a little bit higher. So the back one with this hair is a little bit to me. I'm probably gonna try the back one and figure out a style that will be not boring at all, because today we're trying to look expensive, we're trying to look bougie, we're trying to like look super great. You can definitely tie your hair up like this without leaving anything, but because I've got a big freaking forehead, I like to actually have like something on my forehead, just to So I'm going in with a very small comb, and it's so painful. Even though I detangled my hair, it's painful. I had this style like 3 days ago. So we've got some white stuff, like it's like gel, because I used it for my baby hairs. So what I'm going to do is to just hold my hand towards the end. One thing that you don't want, you guys, is to start combing at the front and going all the way up. Like you're gonna ruin your hair. So I like to actually just hold the hair because I don't want to hurt myself, and start combing the front. So now I'm going in with a ribbon I'm going in with this ribbon. I don't like to use the elastic one because it's gonna charm my hair. And again, guys, now I've got, like, my hair is not a lot, so this tying up and a bun thing sometimes is just, it makes my head look super weird. Okay, so this is how the line is looking. This is how much hair I have left. So what I'm going to do is to just open like the middle part. Hope you guys can see that. And then what I'm going to do is to twist this sections right here. And I like to bend it. I like to bend it a little bit so that I can have that, it's like a bang sort of situation. If you don't know how to twist, I don't know, you guys, you just like twist, bring it over. I'm so bad at this. Twist, turn it over, twist, turn it over, twist, like so. Just keep on doing that, and then you will have your twist. So this is actually how my hair is looking right now. So now we are going to, there's a baby right here. So another point that I will give you guys, if you've got your pondo, if your pondo is very small, it cannot hold, if your natural pondo can't hold this pondo. You understand what I'm saying, right? So what you need to do is to go in with wool, tie it or braid it, or even with hairpiece, braid it, and then like go all the way up and then turn it a little bit back. I think I'll just do another video where my hair is not stretched so that you guys can see it, because I normally do it with when I'm lazy to stretch my hair. So you just need to like tie that hairpiece and have a little bit of something so that your pondo can be held correctly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to take this side of the pin. So the pin is here and it's here, and one side is gonna go to the front and the other is gonna go to the back. You don't wanna like tie yourself super tightly, guys. Like, you need to breathe at the end of the day. Like, can you guys see? Like, it looks okay, it looks fine, but like it's not fun, it's just normal, it's regular. It looks, I don't know. So there's this ribbon right here. It comes with something that you need to pull, so that is what I'm going to do. Don't pull too much because it's painful. So what I'm going to do, I am gonna leave this hanging, right? You're gonna see what we're gonna do with this. I even feel like the front things that are going on are actually also making it look super nice. And what I'm going to do is to, let me go back, go with my hands like this. So I'm sort of like taking it higher, because what we're doing today is to actually take it way higher. Okay, and I'm gonna take this right here, right? So you want to like hold it up like this and make sure it's high, like. So what I'm going to do is to tie this rubber thingy. Woo, don't tie it too much. I just did that and it's painful. And yeah, I'm gonna tie it around and then let it go like that. Already that gave it a lift, you guys. So now I'm going in with a wool. I'm gonna fold it like this. You are free to go in with those what color is that? There is this color, what is it, gold thingy that they use on the longer pondos, like the nice gold ones. So what I'm going to do is to still hold this bun way up. And what I'm going to do is to just place this. I'm using black one because black is not visible. I mean, it makes sense, right? If you want to go with white, you know, if you want to be crazy, you can do that. So what you're doing is to actually squeeze this up, right? What are we trying to do? And then tie. Right, so you're tying your way up. Oh, this thing is shedding. Can you guys see what the wool is actually doing through this? If you want it even more higher, you can like use more wool, you know, to take it higher. But if I am to take it higher, it's gonna be out of frame. I swear my camera cannot accommodate this height. So I'm gonna be fixing it tying it high and make sure it's even, it's straight. The gel that I normally use is this soften free gel. It's a very famous gel, you guys, but if you are looking for an extreme hold, please do not use this one. This one is just for temporary. It doesn't even hold my hair sometimes. So this is how the gel is looking. Like you can see, you guys, that I have been, let me show you, I have been digging on this. So it looks like that if you didn't know, but I feel like everybody pretty knows this gel. So I like to go in with my old toothbrush and the gel, and I like to, you know, just scoop everything and make sure everything is in there, you know, laid at the front like that. That is the end of the video, guys, and this is the final look. What do you guys think? I totally feel like it's super clean. It looks like you've got your life together. It just looks nice. It looks clean. I think that's the word. So that is actually it. And you guys, I do have like a little bit of wool at the back, so you want to make sure that wool is in, as you guys can see right there. You want to always make sure it's out. And again, we've got a patch from the previous dye, and you're like, it's just misery. But anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.